Your sensor lasts up to 15 days. You can either end your session early or wait until it times out. There's a 12-hour grace period at that point to help ensure you can find a convenient time to replace your sensor.
To end the session early, go to Settings and tap Sensor. If you want to start a new sensor immediately, choose Replace Sensor. If you want to stop the current session without starting a new one, choose Stop Sensor Session. If you wait until your sensor session times out, the app will alert you to start a new one. To remove your sensor, peel off the patch like a bandage. Then insert a new sensor and apply a new overpatch. For a refresher on sensor insertion and overpatch application, review the in-app instructions. You can use your app to confirm the sensor is inserted and enter your pairing code by taking a picture of the QR code. Once the sensor is paired, enter into your sensor warmup. And that's it! You've replaced your Stelo sensor.